sup? Okay. Yeah. Besides that awkward moment, what are we doing again?
Singing.
Oh, totally.
We're gonna be singing Heart by the Pretty
Records. Pretty Records.
Yeah.
Just like a little fun fact about them. The lead singer, if you've ever watched The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, and because yeah, Jim Carrey is the Grinch. Well, you know the little girl, forgot her name, whatever. Oh, I just lost it. Never mind. Whatever. The little chick, she grew up and became the lead singer of this rock band called Pretty Records. This song isn't that much. It's not a rock song, but it's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna sing it. Oh. Okay, sorry. My arm looks kind of long, but it's not. It's tiny. Okay, anyway. Alright, so
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna sing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Woo! You can't hear the music at all.
No.
We found that out. But, yeah, shame, whatever. You do it pretty.
Never
Wanted to feel, never wanted you to steal my heart, never wanted to know, never wanted to show. I'm weak, I'm falling all over myself, trying to be someone else. I wish you were there to walk me home, so I wouldn't have to feel alone. Always wanted to be, always wanted you to see my heart, always wanted your love, always wanted, but never was. I'm falling all over myself, trying to be someone else. I wish you were there to walk me home, so I wouldn't have to be alone. Falling all over myself, dying to be someone else. I wish you were there to walk me home. I don't wanna fight the world alone. Told you before, never loved you more. Falling all over myself, trying to be someone else. I wish you were there to walk me home. I wouldn't have to be alone. I'm falling all over myself, dying to be someone else. I wish you would dare to walk me home, so I wouldn't have to feel alone. Oh. I wanna face the world alone. I don't wanna fight the world alone. Oh, I eventually lose it.
I could.
It's like I'm singing so much I don't have time to breathe.
Yeah.
Then my chest starts and it's like, ugh.
Yeah.
It's like I'm gonna die.
Alright. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyways,
Right. Click it.
click it. Okay.